if you have a dull skin and you are fair and you want to have a flawless glowing skin, that skin that looks so soft, so smooth, that skin that shines, when they talk of skin like milk, exactly, that's what I'm heading to. In today's video, I'm going to share a combo that will give you that irresistible shine, that spotless skin, that glowing skin that you ever admire to have. You don't even need to skip this video. Watch this video to the end, because what I'm about to show you now is what you ever use and have this glowing skin. In fact, take it anywhere. You see, this combo is the best. First, talk about the lotion, and the lotion I'm about to talk about is, you see this lotion. This is Fair and White So White body lotion. This lotion you are seeing here. In fact, if you want that flawless glowing skin, this is the lotion that you use and achieve it. In fact, that skin that you have admired, that fairness, that dull skin that you have complained of you have been having, in fact, go for this cream. And one thing with this cream is that this cream has feel, and that's why most of you might have used it and you are not seeing any result, or maybe probably you have used it and maybe it didn't give you what you want. This cream has fake, and that's the challenge with this cream. But if you have a trusted vendor, get this cream from the person and you will enjoy using this cream. It's one of the best cream you ever use on your skin. It's a very silky texture. In order to know the original one, I'm just telling you, it has a very silky texture. I don't know if I can show you guys, because this one is still remaining. It's pink in color. If you look at it, I don't know, you might not be seeing it clearly, but if you look at it clearly, and it absorbs very fast. That's a very nice. This cream contains vitamin E and Vaseline, which helps to maintain skin moisture. It helps to moisturize your skin and prevent skin dryness. It also contains niacinamide and fruit acids, which gently exfoliate your skin, restore your skin, and give you a radiant, glowing skin. In fact, it helps to phase out dark spots on your skin. So, using this cream over time, you start noticing a bright skin and that glowing spotless skin. One thing I love about this cream gradually brightens the skin. It will not bleach your skin. This lotion does not contain any harsh chemicals that will cause irritation to your skin, or that will bleach your skin, or that will cause any reaction to your skin. It's a foreign product that is made in France. It's a Paris product. So don't joke with this cream when it comes to flawless skin, irresistible shine, and that glow, silky skin you want to. The only thing I want you guys to do is, once you get this cream, always be consistent in using it. I'm going to show you a liquid soap, a shower gel that we use. I love shower gel a lot, but you guys don't know that shower gel works more than tablet soap, because shower gel will absorb quickly into your skin and it will give you that rapid result. It will glow up your skin fast than the bar soap. Another thing is that tablet soap is not that expensive, but liquid soap are more expensive. Liquid soap, don't joke with them, because they can work fast. In fact, they can give you that result you wish. That's why I love using my products with liquid soaps. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the liquid soap you combine with this Fair and White So White lotion, and it will give you a very perfect result. So moving forward, the liquid soap I'm talking about is this. You see this? I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry it's inverted, but this is Fuchsia Bath Carrot Liquid Soap. I don't know how they call it in order, but this is Fuchsia Carrot Shower Gel. Bath is a product of the Malaysia skincare brand. It helps to nourish the skin, moisturize the skin, and brighten up your skin. This bath comes in 2 or 3 types, but this is the one I focused on. This bath contains carrot and vitamin A, which has the power to brighten up dull areas of your skin. It also contains aloe vera and vitamin E, which helps to moisturize the skin and give you that silky skin. But when using this bath, you notice that your skin becomes silky, your skin becomes smooth. So that's what this bath does because of this content. When it comes to fragrance, it gives a very lasting fragrance on your skin. In fact, if you use this bath, oh my god, you really enjoy it because the fragrance is giving. When it comes to a bath that improves your skin texture, that brightens up your skin, that moisturizes your skin, and even give you a smooth and a very radiant skin, use this bath. In fact, the combo I've showed you today is one of the best combo you ever use if you have a dull skin. And if you want to brighten up your skin, maybe you are climate skin, you want to brighten up your skin, use this combo. And if you eventually got dark and you need something that will brighten up your skin, that will even out your skin complexion, use this combo. And finally, if you are battled with hyperpigmentation or skin discoloration, in fact, you see this combo I've showed you today will help to give you an even skin. In fact, using it from up to toe will give you a rhyming complexion. So guys, that's the end of today's video. So if you have used any of these products I just showed you guys now, just drop a comment in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you get notification like this, and see you on my next video. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all. Bye.